The idea is to come here, look around a bit, learn a lot. This Goa teaches us a lot of things. So here, this culture is unique, this human approach and living in harmony, where mankind learns from one another, decides not to make the mistakes of the past, take it in the future, and pass on this harmonious living to the next generations. I think that's important if mankind has to survive. With the world over, there are a lot of tensions, and if we do not want to learn from history, mankind will never overcome those tensions. So it's important for all of us to carry the message into the future. And I'm glad that organizations like the Archaeology Survey of India is preserving all these monuments so that the human beings do not lose sight of their heritage, the heritage that we all have to cherish.